Welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of WP2 servers and installing WordPress in a few easy clicks. It's going to be a breeze. First things first, let's log into our shiny new WP2 server. Pro tip, save that login info in a password manager. Nobody likes forgetting their passwords, especially not superheroes like you. All right, now that we're safely logged in, it's WordPress installation time. First up, we need to add our domain name. Heads up, make sure you've configured the DNS settings before we proceed. If not, no worries. Just pause the video, get that DNS squared away, and come back when it's all set. Also, keep in mind that brand new domains can take up to 48 hours to show up everywhere on the internet, so a little patience might be required. Next, it's time to name our website. Think of a catchy name that really captures its essence, and don't forget a tagline to seal the deal. This is your website's first impression, so make it count. Now comes the fun part, picking a theme. This is like choosing an outfit for your website. There are tons of free themes to choose from, and you can always change it up later if you find something flashier. For now, I'm going with the Sassify theme. But hey, you do you. Once you've picked your theme, all that's left is to click the Click to Finish Setup button. And poof, the magic happens. WordPress will download, install, configure, and secure your website in a flash. The speed of this might depend on your internet connection, so make sure it's stable and don't close the window until it's done. Ready to see your creation in all its glory? Just right-click and open a new tab to visit your brand new WordPress website. Isn't that awesome? And look, it's already rocking the theme you chose. Now that your website is up and running, let's explore the dashboard and see what cool things you can do. Here you can see an overview of your website, including performance and traffic. You can also set up backups, install new themes and plugins, configure a CDN, like Cloudflare for those in the know, and tons more. The settings pane lets you fine-tune everything from search engine indexing to upgrades. The advanced pane is where the techies hang out. You can see your database, DNS records, and even the SSL certificate, which will be activated once your DNS is all set. Feeling adventurous? There's also a button to create new websites, a terminal for those comfortable with command lines, and a feedback button if you want to tell the WP2 folks what you think. You can even add labels to your websites for better organization. And finally, when you're done for the day, just click Log Out to sign out. Let's do that now and take a peek at our website again from the outside world. See? Installing WordPress with WP2 was as easy as pie. So there you have it. You're now officially a WordPress website owner. Pretty cool, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more website adventures.